Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your meta pixel to Lovable AI. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open Lovable dashboard and simply sign into your account. And from here, from the left side bar, you're going to click on all projects and select the project in which you wish to add your meta pixel. So let's say I have opened this project over here. So you're going to click on the command prompt and simply type down that add my meta pixel. Simply send this prompt to the AI, and then it's going to think and ask you for your pixel ID. So you're going to head over to your metapixel and then you can simply copy your pixel ID. So you're going to come back to your Lovable prompt and simply type down your ID, then press send, and it's going to read it and just set up the pixel ID on your application. So it might take quite a while, so simply be patient and the AI will do the work for you, such as adding the pixel within the application, and then you can simply publish it with the pixel ID that you just added.